Flux. Flux are continuing to do some really, really strong things. There's been a recent announcement that we have to talk about because this has led to Flux rising in price quite nicely over the past couple of weeks. And I expect this to go on to do greater things. You'll see by the title of this video, I think this is going to make a lot of money in the next bull cycle. I'm going to explain exactly why in this video, so you're all aware. Before I get into it though, guys, if you're new here and you don't know what this spreadsheet is, these are the first 26 coins that I did videos about on this channel. And in the videos, I showed myself buying up all of these coins. I expected they were going to make me a lot of money. And you can see what they were worth when I recorded the videos. These are the highs that they hit less than a year and a half on. And this is what your profit would have been if you'd have put $100 into each. So if you'd have put $100 into Engine when I released the video, you'd have made over $5,000. So over 50x in under a year and a half. If you'd have done that for all of them, your total profit from 100 into each would have been over 123 grand. And again, in less than a year and a half. Now, I sold all of these, but I share the coins that I'm in right now on my website, copymycrypto.com. So anytime I find a coin that I like, that I think is going to make a lot of money, I jump onto my site, I tell my members about the coin that I'm going to buy, the profits I think it can have, and the percentage of my cash that I'm going to put in. It means the members can copy along exactly, and they make the exact same profit as me. The reason that we have thousands of members on the site is that they're making great money in crypto, but they don't have to know anything about crypto. And if you want to see what they've made, that's on the site. If you want to see what I've said in the past, that's on the site. Copy My Crypto is what it says it is. It's Copy My Crypto. People can copy along to my portfolio and make the same profits. We're less than a year away from these markets being absolutely wild. If you haven't got your crypto position sorted, those are profits you're not going to make again. So now is the time to get that done. And if you haven't gone on to Copy My Crypto, see what the members have made and see if it's a service that you want to try, guys. Now, Flux. Look up Flux. So in the past day, it's up like 13%. Past 7 days, it's up 23%. The past month is up 76%. Things have just been going very smoothly for Flux. It's the crypto that powers the Flux ecosystem. It uses a number of it has a number of uses. Which is purchasing resources, collateralizing nodes, fueling transactions on the Flux operating system, as well as rewarding miners and node operators for the computational resources. So it's a mineable proof of work crypto. We've actually seen a real growth for Flux in terms of the amount of miners that that have joined them. The computational network consists of over 15,000 decentralized nodes, 108,000 CPU cores, 288 terabytes of RAM, 6.7 petabytes of storage. It makes Flux the largest decentralized network in the world. And if you needed more evidence of the fact that they're the largest, this announcement is absolutely wild. So WordPress are on Flux. So if you are not a website developer, if you don't really know anything about websites, 43% of all websites in the world are built on WordPress. And WordPress decided to work on Flux Cloud. This basically combines the world-renowned WordPress with the latest Web3 technology, giving you unparalleled website performance and incredible security. WordPress statistics, 43.3% WordPress-powered websites globally. CMS market share, 65.1%. WordPress is the popular content management system that powers a significant proportion of the internet. Over 55,000 WordPress plugins that are around globally. 30.3% of the top 1,000 sites in the world powered by WordPress. 30. Everything is already there, and they are using Flux Cloud because Flux Cloud is so damn reliable. This is the next step in evolution. Flux Cloud partners are already Crypto.com's Pay. You've got OVH Cloud, you've got Lumen, you've got Zelcore, you've got Cadena, and you've got HES-So. And the WordPress pricing plans, again, you can see what the pricing is. You can pay in Flux as well. And you can see the benefits, unlimited bandwidth. This is incredible for the development of Flux moving forward. this puts them really well. This puts them above a lot of different crypto projects in the space. They're already doing more. That as a partnership, that as someone to land is incredible. And with the overall growth in their ecosystem, with the partnerships they have landed, with the fact that they've introduced stuff like parallel assets, with the fact that the supply isn't actually that big, 340 million, yeah, it's high, but it's not in the, billions and billions and billions. Bodes really, really well. There's the 100 million or so that are remaining to be released. It's going to be a slow release anyway, because it's those coins come into existence in rewards for miners and for node operators. So that's how they're going to end up being produced. So we're not going to all of a sudden see 100 million of these tokens dumped. There are different node tiers. So if you want to run a node, you need 1,000 Flux. For the Cumulus node, you need 12,500 for the Nimbus node, or 40,000 for the Stratus node. This collateral isn't locked and it belongs to the users, so Flux node operators are able to delete their node and sell collateral whenever they want. And you can see what the rewards are. Let's have a little look and see how well these rewards are going for people. So, really? Okay, fine. Yeah, okay, fine. Recently, Flux introduced Titan on-chain staking as well. To participate, all you need is to have 50 Flux in the official Zelcore wallet for the minimum Titan collateral. And you can lock it up for 3, 6, or 12 months. Again, really, really strong steps. They've fully given everyone the reason to be incentivized to participate in the security of the network. They've got access to NVIDIA's technology and experts as well, which again provides them with a really strong development opportunity moving forward. Thanks to their parallel mining as well. You not only earn Flux on the main chain, but on parallel chains as well, in a 1-to-10 ratio to Flux. You can also earn Flux by getting involved with the Flux community on Discord. They've given everyone reasons to try Flux. Kadena puts everything that they have on Flux. So why is that? Because Flux is so goddamn reliable. They also provide infrastructure for Kusama nodes, for Polkadot nodes, for pre-search nodes, Firo nodes, Ethereum Light nodes, Rosetta servers, Raven nodes, and Explorer, Anchor Protocol, Haven Vault, Pangolin Dex, Aave Liquidity Protocol, Ergo Auctions, Osmosis, Dash nodes and Explorer, Ragnar, Finance, and more. It's the growth in a couple of years has been absolutely staggering. And look, Flux's all-time high was like $3 something. Might have tipped to $4.17. I think it beats that by a country mile this next bull cycle. $20. I think $20 is very, very achievable for Flux. That puts it in a market cap of $7 billion. That is not outlandish in any way, shape, or form when you realize that they are already working with WordPress. They already provide the infrastructure for some of the biggest projects in crypto. And their mining growth, their node network growth has been staggering. Are they set for to be a top 100 coin comfortably? I think we could see them in the top 50 in theory. $20 is a very, very achievable target point. And could it do more? Absolutely, but that will depend on the partnerships that they get as well. Do they get stronger partnerships moving forward? It's very, very possible. You wouldn't have expected a crypto project or a blockchain network to land WordPress. So solid steps in the right direction. And it's only a quarter of its all-time high at this point. So breaking its previous high is inevitable. How high can it go? Let's see. But yeah. The one other big plus, by the way, for Flux that I forgot to say, still not on Coinbase. So if it starts pumping, if say it gets to $10 and then the Coinbase announcement lands, it could blast well past $20 because that Coinbase bounce is a real thing. So yeah, pay attention to Flux because I think new all-time high is inevitable and pretty damn good high from where it is right now. But let me know what you guys think about that in the comments down below. Do you think it can do more? Do you think it's going to do less? How high do you think it can go? I've seen some people saying $100. I think that's a bit high. But $20 seems very, very achievable. So let me know in the comments. And guys, if you want to make the same profits as me in the next bull cycle, you can do. Head over to copymycrypto.com. That's the site I run where I share with my members every single coin I own. Anytime I find a crypto that I think is going to make a lot of money, I jump onto my site, tell my members about the coin that I'm going to buy, the profits I think it can have, and the percentage of my cash I'm going to put in. Members can copy along exactly. This means they make the exact same profits as me, but they don't have to do a dot of work. We have thousands of members on the site. A lot know nothing about crypto at all, but are making great money. And if you want to see what they made, again, that is on the site. We're less than a year away from coins being at new highs. If you haven't got your portfolio sorted at all, if you're unhappy with the portfolio that you've got, if you don't think you're going to be making the gains, if you're not confident, then go see copymycrypto.com because this could solve all your problems then and there. And that's it from me, guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.